How to break a 100-year-old frozen engine loose. Put a half a cup of synthetic 10-weight motor oil in each cylinder. Let it sit for a couple of weeks. Then, with a fitting for the spark plug, hook your power grease gun to one of the cylinders that is about halfway down and the valves are closed. Then put the crank in and put a jack under the crank and crank up till you've got sufficient pressure on the crank. Then just let the engine sit for a few days and watch your mark on your fan that you installed, and after it starts to move an inch or so, then you probably can take the crank and just turn it over by hand.